Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide sensitive content on Twitter. You want to go ahead and open your Twitter account, and you want to go ahead and tap on this button right here and click on view content preferences, and then you want to go to search settings, and here if you have hide sensitive content like this, what you need to do is to click here to turn it on. However, you may not be able to find this search settings in your mobile application. If you can't find this in your mobile application, there are still some people who can't find the hide sensitive button on their mobile phone, and I have a great tip for you. Alright, so you want to watch till the end. What I suggest you do is log out completely from your Twitter app. What you need to do is to open any browser of your choice, and you want to go ahead and search for twitter.com. Before you do that, you want to go ahead and make sure you activate desktop site. Okay, alright, and then search for twitter.com and then click on the first link in the description. You want to go ahead and sign into your Twitter account. Alright, once you're signed into your Twitter account, what you need to do is to follow the same steps I taught you earlier. You want to click here and then come to view content preferences, and then you want to click on search settings, and here you'll find hide sensitive content. So if it is turned this way, you want to go ahead and turn it on. Okay, and you would have hid sensitive content on your Twitter account. Guys, this is how to hide sensitive content on Twitter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.